Hi all, welcome in today's video. We will be replacing the screen of this Game Boy Pocket. This is a simple job compared to replacing the polarizing filter, as that will take a lot of time for cleaning the residue left behind by the old polarizing filter. For this job we will start by taking out the 6 tri-wing screws on the back here. If you have batteries still in there, remove these because otherwise you can't reach the screws. You can remove the back half by just lifting it up gently, like so. You can remove the top half of the case by lifting these pins up. Then we have to remove these 3 Phillip head screws. In this case it's a good idea to clean the case and everything since we have it opened anyways. I can now lift up the motherboard, remove the ribbon cable like this. Speaker seems a little bit tight from all the grud. So remove the button contacts. Really nasty. You want to put these in a bucket of soapy water. Now, to remove the screen, you can do this by wiggling the case, like so. You will hear it popping out. This screen is pretty far gone. I don't know if it's still fixable. I have a replacement screen here. Can remove the old adhesive tape and then put these 2 halves in the soapy water as well. Now we want to clean the board. We can do that by just using some Q-tips and some isopropyl alcohol. We want these button contacts to be clean. To get the best button press possible. All seems fairly decent to me. I don't know if this will be okay because something like just fell apart. We will check that out. If it's broken, we can always replace it. Let's get a toothbrush in here. Okay, this should be fine. Let's get the other parts cleaned. You can do this by also using the same toothbrush if you want, or get a brush like this one. You'll get the idea by now. Just get these really nice and clean, and wipe them dry with a towel or something else, a cloth. I will finish the cleaning process and then I will come back to you. I've cleaned the parts now, and before we go on, I want to try and polish this screen. See if it's getting any better than this. If it's not, I will probably replace it. I think I have a new screen here. It's not getting any better, so I will replace this. So you can also remove this by pushing it. Like so. And the last one. See all the black stuff is coming off the buttons. You want these contacts to be clean to bridge the contacts on the motherboard. So what this button does, it just bridges these two contacts, and then it registers a button press. Like so, and then the motherboard, speaker in, so all is in. Now we can put back the 3 Phillips head screws we took out. We have to reattach this ribbon cable. Then we can put back the on-off switch. And it's probably best before we put back the back screws that we try it out first. Let me get some batteries. So I got some batteries. So there it is. Looks good to me, to be honest. Really nice contrast. So we can put back the screws. And we need to put in the screen lens. Let's put in a game. See if the volume is okay. The screen looks really nice now. As you can see. I think the sound might be a little soft here. So I think I have to replace the speaker, as I was saying before. Works fine now. Button presses are really instantly. As you can see, I don't play this that often anymore, but the screen looks really nice. So it looks like everything is working like it should, except for the speaker, which we will be replacing in a separate video. Thank you for watching this video. Drop a like if you like the video and subscribe for more videos like this one. Goodbye, and like we say in the Netherlands, tot ziens.